Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, FinAdvisor. This is the 8th video in our investing series, and like I had mentioned in my last video, in this video we'll focus on the detailed steps that we had talked about and we'll implement it for the large cap fund category. So what I've done is I've opened Value Research, Money Control for Crisil Rating and Morningstar as well, uh, and we'll check the step by step for the large cap equity fund. First we'll select the fund category type, which we have already done. So we are now doing it for the large cap category, which is suitable for 5 to 7 years of investing. So that was the first step. The second step is to check the fund rating. So on Value Research, as of now, I've shortlisted funds based on 4-star and 5-star. So you can see there are so many funds. So what we can do is, since it's a very big category, we can only focus on 5-star rather than having both 4-star and 5-star. So I'll just remove 4-star and update the fund list. So we now only have 5-star funds. Similarly, even on Money Control, I have just taken the 5-star Crisil rating. So there are only 3 funds: Axis Blue Chip, Canara Robeco Blue Chip, and Edelweiss Large Cap. If we check on Value Research, so Canara Robeco Blue Chip is there, Axis Blue Chip is there, and Edelweiss Large Cap is not there. So in the initial shortlist is only of these 2 funds. Let's check Morningstar. So Morningstar, we can see Axis Blue Chip, Canara Robeco, Mirae Asset Large Cap, and BNP Paribas Large Cap. So the 2 funds which are common across the 3 sites are Axis Blue Chip and Canara Robeco Blue Chip as a 5-star fund. So we will go ahead with the next steps only for these 2 funds. So next step is to check the assets under management. So assets under management, as I mentioned in the last video, for large cap category, the larger the assets under management, it's better to have that. So Axis Blue Chip has almost 22,500 crores of net assets, while Canara Robeco has 1,300 crore of net assets. So definitely Axis Blue Chip is winning here. The next step is to check the relative past performance. So we'll go to the return tab, and what we're interested in is the long-term returns, right? So long-term returns, if we see, and these are all trailing returns, and trailing returns, if we see, Axis Blue Chip is approximately 18.5% and 17.8%. 5-year Canara Robeco is slightly higher. So almost similar returns, both the funds. Let's check the calendar returns now. So if we click on annual to get the calendar returns, let's check for last 3 years. So last year, 2020, Canara Robeco was 25% and 21% for Axis. Then almost 20% in 2019 and 17% for Canara Robeco, 8% for Axis Blue Chip, and 4% for Canara Robeco. So some of the years, as you can see, Axis Blue Chip is doing better. Some of the years Canara Robeco has also done better. So no clear winner on this particular step. So we'll move on to the next step, which is checking the risk matrix. So let's go to the risk stats tab. Alright, it's taking a bit of time to fetch the data. Alright, now it is refreshed. So when we compare the risk stats, so what we want is lower risk and higher return, right? So both of them are in low risk grade category and return grade is high. So that's equivalent. If we check the standard deviation, Axis Blue Chip has lower standard deviation, which means Axis Blue Chip has slightly lower risk. That also kind of correlates to beta as well. So beta for Axis Blue Chip is lower, so which means it is taking slightly lower risk than Canara Robeco. If we check the return ratios such as Sharpe, Sortino, both of them are better for Axis Blue Chip, but only a slight difference. Even Alpha, there is a significant difference. Axis Blue Chip is better. So if we check the overall risk matrix, Axis Blue Chip is kind of slightly better with lower risk as well as higher return compared to Canara Robeco, but the difference is very minute. The next step is to check the expense ratio. So let's check the expense ratio for these funds. So expense ratio, if we check, I have opened this tab for Axis Blue Chip. The expense ratio is 0.51%, and Canara Robeco, the expense ratio is 0.66%, which means Axis Blue Chip is winning here with lower expense ratio. The next and the final step is to check the mutual fund manager tenure. So mutual fund manager tenure for Canara Robeco. So there is one fund manager which is there from 2016, and there is one more new fund manager which is there from October 2019. So probably there is a handover which is happening between the two managers. This is a slightly new manager which is coming for Axis Blue Chip. Let's check mutual fund manager. So it's Shreyas Devalkar from 2016, and it's only one manager. So this kind of tells me that Axis Blue Chip, there is no handover, and the mutual fund tenure has been older. So I think on this parameter, Axis Blue Chip is definitely better. Next step is to do a slightly more detailed stock quality category, stock quality check. So, and this particular step is optional. If you are only an advanced person in selecting mutual fund, then only you should do this step. So in this step, I had mentioned about some of the parameters such as ROE greater than 15%, ROC greater than 20%. How many such stocks are there in the list which kind of qualify these kind of criteria? So if we check some of the stocks that we have for Axis Blue Chip, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, Kotak, TCS, and these are the topmost holding. And when we compare it with the Canara Robeco, so HDFC, Infosys, ICICI Bank, so if you check all these stocks, right, they are almost similar. Only the percentage assets are slightly different, but almost similar, the stock holding of both the funds. Slight variation. So overall, what it seems is that I think there are three reasons why Axis Blue Chip seems to be better than Canara Robeco. One is Axis Blue Chip has really good assets under management, 22,000 crores. The second aspect is the expense ratio, which is lower, and third is risk and return parameter that we saw. Axis Blue Chip is slightly better than Canara Robeco. So overall, I think the best large cap fund as of now to invest is Axis Blue Chip, and definitely the second best is Canara Robeco. Hope you liked this video. In the next video, I'll be taking the step by step for the mid cap category, and will identify the best funds to invest for the mid cap category. Thank you everyone. Please share this video with your family and friends, and see you in my next video.